Hey, and welcome to my channel. I am Cynmarie. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hope you like what you hear today and you stick around to become a future millionaire with the rest of us. And if you have been here with me, rocking with me, you already know it's all love. Let me throw this in really quick. All my future millionaires, did you notice how I switched up my intro this time? Yes, and I'm going to get into that really soon, why I decided to switch it up. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So a little backstory really quick. So yesterday I was invited into the Shorts Community Creator Program. So I was getting ready to type in my information to accept my invite, and I pressed the back button and the form went away. I looked everywhere for the form. I could not find the form. So I contacted Google support, YouTube support. They advised that I'll receive it again or check my email or whatever. So they said, do you have any more questions? So I say yes. I said, when will I be able to get a YouTube manager? If you're not familiar with what a YouTube manager is, it's someone that helps your channel grow. They tell you the do's and the don'ts. They may set your plan out for you for the week and say, hey, do these videos. This is working. They keep you level-headed. So I was wondering when I can get one, and I was told that it's invite only, and once I'm eligible, then I will be contacted that way. Now let's fast forward. I received a message last night. Well, not a message. I received a comment under one of my videos last night. And I am like 100% sure this is a YouTube manager. There's no doubt in my mind. And we're going to read it together. And then I want you to tell me what you think. And also the reason why I'm reading this is because this is also a learning tool for all of us. Everyone can take heed, listen, and follow these instructions and follow these rules to be a successful YouTuber. This is why I am like 100% sure this message comes from a YouTube manager. I looked up the name. There's no videos. There's nothing. There's no subscribers under there. There's nothing. So I really, truly believe / know this information is coming from a YouTube manager. So let's read this together. First, let me show you. This is how long the message was. Super long message, right? So this is why I'm like, you know what? This has to be a YouTube manager. I think they're looking into my channel, hopefully. Anywho, let's go ahead and get into the comment. Let's break this comment down, and then I want y'all to tell me if y'all feel like it's a YouTube manager or not. Okay, so it's talking about the video I put out. They're giving their input on the video at first. FYI, I'm using my old iPhone 6 because I'm using my phone to record right now. So I'm using my old iPhone. So if you see it this way, and then my daughter's been playing with the phone, so it looks a mess. Anywho, let's go ahead and get to this message and break it down. Okay, so they wrote, now when I write you, I mean people in general, not specifically you. Okay, this is what it says. People on YouTube wonder why their channels don't grow and they don't have the same engagement as the next person. Some of it clearly has to do with race and age, depending on the video. We are not going to be naive to think otherwise. However, the main problem with content creators is that they simply make bad content or speak on topics that have been done before by other people. Now, a lot of us we go with trends. If something is trending, then that's what we do. So I personally don't see anything wrong with discussing the same thing. That's why it's called a trend. Trends are what a lot of people do. But this is what they're saying. Okay, then they go on to say, here's the challenge. Turn to any channel and then watch 3 or 4 other channels in the same niche. I will bet you money that every single one has done a video on the same topic. They will act the same, using the same language. I swear I will pay a YouTuber $1,000 per video if they could do a 10-minute video and refrain from touching and brushing their hair. Sometimes I touch and brush my hair, but it's normally because it's in my way. Or using the word lit, vibe, or literally, and sounding like Kim K and her sisters. Everyone starts with, this is your girl, and that is something that I do all the time. I always start off with, hey y'all, it's your girl Cynmarie. That's just how I come on. So they're saying that's not good, so that's why I switched it up today. If you noticed, that's why I switched it up. And then they go on to say, This is your girl. Like my video, subscribe to my channel before the video has even played. Now, I say subscribe. I'll wait till the end, and then I also say if you're not ready to subscribe, at least like the video. See, I say that. And then it says, everyone talks loud using incorrect grammar and has background music, making it difficult to hear. Sometimes I am a little loud, and that's because my kids are here for the summer, so I have been loud. That's why I feel like this is a YouTube manager saying that she's not talking to me, but she's talking to me. She's critiquing my videos and I guess getting me ready for, I don't know, but I feel like she's critiquing me, but don't want to say me because a lot of this stuff here is what I do. Then she stated, these are all things that make it difficult to pitch the YouTuber to sponsors. Now, doesn't that sound like a YouTube manager? Why would you be saying this to me? I feel like she's a YouTube manager and I'm super excited. I'm happy, but I feel like this is something that a YouTube manager would say. These are all the things that make it difficult to pitch the YouTuber to sponsors. I don't feel like this is a subscriber that is like going into great details and really breaking down what it's like to be a successful YouTuber. I could be wrong, but it just sounds like it's coming from a professional who knows exactly what they're speaking on. Then she goes on to say, there are hundreds of people whose jobs are to watch videos and other social media platforms and bring fresh faces to products. That sounds like a YouTube manager. Like, I'm just like, for real. The big money comes with sponsorships and outside opportunities, not the actual video. Use the video as a springboard to show people what they will get if they sponsor your video. Once again, sounds like a YouTube manager. Then she says there are sponsors for every audience. It's better to have 5,000 active subscribers than 50,000 with very minimal interaction. Manager. And then she goes on to say, want to know how to grow your YouTube channel? Not in particular order, as they are equally important. Number 1, be yourself and show your personality. I do that. That's me all day. I do that. Number 2, refrain from profanity. Number 3, respond back to people who comment. Number 4, thank people for watching. Number 5, have original content or a different take on a trend. Number 6, keep most videos less than 10 minutes. Number 7, give a video schedule and stick to it, or post if you're unable to stick with the schedule that you have given to your audience. Number 8, do giveaways. Even if it's $10, a $10 gift card. Give small amounts so you can give more people an opportunity with your giveaway. Number 9, consider shouting out subscribers on the next video. That's a great tip, and I will start doing that. I will, because I have so much love. Y'all give me so much love over here. It's only right, okay? It's only right. Number 10, get a post office box. I need to get one of those. Number 11, try on the items you purchase and tell how much it costs. Number 12, don't complain about how tired you are, how much effort it took for you to make the video, or complain/vent that nobody is watching. Number 13, if you have more than 1,000 subscribers, go live once a week or once a month. Remember, if you are just starting out, you do not need expensive phones, cameras, lighting, microphones, computers, etc. As your channel grows, invest in your business by upgrading your equipment. If this is your business, treat it like a business. Now, we both read and heard this together. Now, are y'all thinking what I'm thinking? I truly, truly believe this is a YouTube manager. All these tips, I just read it to y'all. This is how long it was. So do y'all really think a subscriber did that? I feel like it was a YouTube manager. And if it was a YouTube manager, thank you so much. Sorry about the noise. There was an ambulance going by. Comment down below if you think this was a YouTube manager. If this was a YouTube manager, I'm excited because I needed to hear some of these tips. I do talk too loud. I do say it's your girl, but I do not say subscribe in the beginning, because why would I tell you that when you haven't watched the video? You don't know my personality yet. You know nothing. So I always at the end I say, Please like the video if you like what you heard and you saw today. Please subscribe. If you need more time, at least give me a like. That's what I do. But comment down below if y'all think this was a YouTube manager. Like, I am like 100% sure. And if you're watching this video, YouTube manager, you can email me or whatever, because yes, like I said, I received an invite from, it's called Shorts Community, Shorts Community Program or Partner or something like that. And I received the invite last night in my YouTube Creator Studio, and I got ready to fill the form out, hit the back button, and then it's just gone. It's gone. And I called support. I emailed support. I chatted with support. No one could tell me anything. They just say, keep on the lookout for another one. And in the program, you get exclusive invites to different things. They send you YouTube packages to your home, all that good stuff. And so I'm just like upset for real, really. But I just wanted to read that to y'all, and I want y'all to let me know, do y'all feel like that is coming from a YouTube manager, or you think it's just a subscriber or someone passing along? Either way it go, it was great information, whether it was a subscriber, someone passing along, or a YouTube manager. Whoever you are, thank you, because these tips are helpful to me and to everyone that's a new YouTuber, who's new and upcoming YouTuber. So it's I'm glad that I received this message. It was very long now, but I read it because something just told me to read it. Like, I normally wouldn't read something that long, but I don't know. I read it. It was meant for me to read it, of course. So, yeah, let me know in the comments if you think this was a YouTube manager. If you like what you heard, hit the like button. If you like what you seen, you heard, subscribe only if you feel like you want to. Okay? Now, that's how you do it. You give them an option. You give them an option to come through this thing. Well, I would like for you to like it. Just hit the little like button. Yeah, hit the like button. Yeah, thank you. But, you know, if you want to watch some more of my videos to get to know me, then you can just hold off on subscribing. But if you feeling my vibe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. Y'all have a great day. Please comment down below if y'all feel like this was a YouTube manager. Okay, until next time, cynmarie is out. Normally I'll say your girl is out. Until next time, cynmarie is out. I'm trying, y'all.